It's a 2013 Lexus RX 350. This RX 350 is luxury without apology. Sink into the driver's seat and experience its intense elegance. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, AM/FM satellite radio, doors and push-button start proximity key, power tilting steering column, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, power telescoping steering column, and streaming audio. Consumer Reports finds the well-rounded RX balances a refined powertrain and comfortable ride with a very quiet and nicely trimmed interior. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.